station in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wow. Got a little something.
We made it to the mess hall.
Oh, this is a short little ride. One more time.
Coming through.
Oh, what? Oh, it goes twice. Yeah. I bogged that time. Huh? I bogged that time. Ah.
We helped deliver the pizza and root beer and made some feathered campers very happy. Now, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop. At that time, push down.